Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making sweet potato blondies. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, consider pressing that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. We have the ingredients for the blondie batter. The full list of ingredients with measurements will be down below in the description box. Here we have our all-purpose flour, sea salt, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, and baking powder. Here we have our brown sugar, our room temperature eggs, roasted mashed sweet potato, melted butter, chopped pecans, vegetable oil, and vanilla bean paste. Again, the full list of ingredients to include measurements will be down below in the description box. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So in the bowl, we have the butter and the vegetable oil. I'm just going to turn the mixer on and then add the brown sugar. All right, so now I'm gonna go on with the eggs one at a time. Once I add an egg, I like to wait for the yolk to break before adding the next. Now I'm gonna go in with the vanilla bean paste, and then I'm going to alternate the flour mixture with the sweet potato mixture. I'll start with my flour and then with my flour. All right, so we are going to set this to the side and go ahead and get started on the cheesecake portion. So I'll see you guys in just a moment. Now we are going to get started on the cheesecake topping. Again, the full list of ingredients and measurements will be down below in the description box. Here we have our room temperature softened cream cheese. To this, we are going to add granulated sugar. We're gonna mix that in. I'm gonna go in with a splash of vanilla extract. And finally, we're gonna add an egg. All right, so here we have our cheesecake topping. One thing I didn't do when I was mixing the sweet potato mixture is add the pecan, so let me grab that and I'll be right back. So here we have our blondie batter. I'm just gonna go in and add the chopped pecans and mix that in. All right, so this is all done. Let me grab the dish that I'm going to bake this in and I'll be right back. So this is the dish I'm going to use to bake the blondies. This is a 9 by 13 dish and I've added parchment paper. If you would like to make a smaller portion, you can cut this recipe in half and bake it in an 8 by 8 dish. Start by adding the blondie batter. I'm going to spread this out evenly. It smells so good, y'all. So next we are going to take our cheesecake topping, and I'm just going to put little dollops on top. Here I have a couple toothpicks. I'm just doubling up, and I'm just going to go through and create a swirl motion. So this is what our blondies are looking like. Again, the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. These will bake anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. I'll keep an eye on them, adjust that time as needed, but as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. So I'll see you soon. Here we are after 40 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna leave these out to cool, and then we'll be back to cut them up. So our blondie has cooled. I did go ahead and cut just the very edge off to straighten it up, and I did taste it. It is absolutely delicious. So I am just going to cut in half and then cut each of the halves in two, and then make two cuts this way. We've made it to the end of the video. Here we have the finished product, our sweet potato blondies. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. This video concludes the 2025 Thanksgiving series. I do hope you guys have enjoyed it. I will have that playlist linked down below in the description box where you can find all the other recipes I made for this year. These blondies are amazing. They are very moist, and you know, the sweet potato cinnamon combination can't go wrong as far as I'm concerned. So this is definitely something that would be good to add to your table this holiday season. Again, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. While you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, consider pressing that subscribe button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and please don't forget to hit that like button before you leave. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.